Welcome to another Caketastic Cakes video. I'm going to show you how to make those mirrors that you see behind Elsa there. And if you like it, don't forget to like, and if you want to find me again, please subscribe. So I make 3 panels. I'm going to get right into it. We're going to move fast. They're just long, thin rectangles, round them off at the tops, all the same size. I have these cutters that are like tulips. So in order to make it like that German kind of feel to it, Dutch kind of feel, I use the same color pink that I used for her coronation cape. The green, I just took those shapes and thought they looked cool. So I basically made a couple of flower patterns on the 2 end panels. Very simple, very basic, but it gives it the good feel that you kind of get at the beginning of the movie of Frozen. And as far as the centerpiece, all I did was take a real thin piece, slightly smaller than the back, and sprayed it over and over and over again with an edible silver spray. Wilton sells it. So yeah, and let it dry. There you go. You've got it. It's nice and easy, and it really makes it kind of look cool. So again, please like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and thank you very much.